Hi everyone, welcome to our online class. My name is Babatunde Olamide, your online tutor. I'm so excited today. You know why? Because we will be talking about numbers. Let's count numbers. When we see numbers, we have 0, 1, 2, 3 to millions, trillions. They are endless, isn't it? Good. We have some numbers that you can easily divide by 2. And we have some that if you divide them by 2, you will have remainders. Have you ever tried it out? If you divide 2 by 2, you are going to have 1. 2 goes in 2 just one time. But if you want to divide 3 by 2, you are going to have 1 left. Such number is not divisible by 2. That brings us to our odd and even numbers. Odd and even numbers. But today, we are going to be talking about odd number. Odd number. What are odd numbers? Odd number are numbers that are not divisible by 2. Can you say that? Odd number are numbers that are not divisible by 2. Can you close your eyes to say that? Odd number are numbers that are not divisible by 2. Now you can open them. Examples of odd numbers: we have 1, we have 3, we have 5, we have 7, and we have 9. Are you with me? But these are not just the list of odd numbers. We have so many of them. Any number that ends with 1, that ends with 3, that ends with 5, 7, or 9 are odd numbers. For instance, 11, we have 1, 1. 1 is at the back of 11. That makes it what? Odd number. 23. 23 is what? 2 and 3. There is 3 at the back. So any number that has 3 at the back is an odd number. If I give you a number, for instance, 163, is that an odd number or an even number? That is an odd number because we have what? 3 at the back. Just look at the number you have at the back. That will give you your answer if it is odd number or an even number. Do not forget I said today we are talking about what? Odd numbers. Look at this list of numbers. On the first row, we have numbers that ends with 1. 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91. All these are examples of odd numbers. Mention numbers that ends with 1 again. Let me hear. We have 111, that is 111, 231, 431, 831. Any number that ends with 1 is what? Odd number. Look at the second row. Any number that ends with 3. 233 is an odd number. 493 is an odd number. 13, 23, 33, and many more. Any number that ends with 1, that ends with 3, they are all what? Odd numbers. Look at the third row. They all end with what? Number 5. So any number that you see that ends with number 5 is an odd number. Do not forget I said examples of odd number we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Those numbers are odd numbers. And any number that ends with any of the numbers that we have mentioned, any number that ends with either 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, you don't need to stress yourself. Just know that is an odd number. Don't forget, just say, okay, and Olamide said any number that ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are what? Odd numbers. Look at the fourth rule. They all end with what? 7. And the last rule, they all end with what? 9. We have 19, 29, 39, 49, 59. All these are examples of odd numbers. What did I say odd number is again? Odd number are numbers that are not divisible by 2. And examples of such we have what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and any number that ends with any of those numbers we have mentioned earlier. Do you understand? Do you now know what odd number is now? Perfect. This is what I want you to do for me. Look at this set of numbers. I want you to say it out. Tell me, out of 12 and 17, what is the odd number there? You know the first one we have 1 and 2. It ends with 2. Is it an odd number? The second one we have 1 and 7. Is that an odd number? Look at the set of numbers we have there. Tell me the odd numbers you can see. Just say it out. Are we clear? Just say it out. In our next class, when we will be counting numbers, we will be talking about even numbers. We'll be talking about what? Even numbers. Till I come your way next time, I remain Babatunde Olamide. Please like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification button to get updated on my next video. Thank you very much. Bye.